Just like the family car, air conditioners and heaters require scheduled servicing so they can continue to operate at peak performance. Without servicing, dirt and dust can limit the heating and cooling performance of a system, and minor faults can grow to become major ones, reducing its lifespan. This goes for split systems, ducted air conditioning, gas heaters and evaporative coolers. We recommend having an air conditioner or heater serviced each year during autumn or spring before periods of heavy use. During scheduled service, a technician will test the internal parts and ensure that they are working efficiently. They will chemically clean and flush the entire unit and test the thermostat to make sure the system appropriately represents the temperatures being blown into your home. If the system is a gas heater, the technician will also perform a carbon monoxide test to catch any potential gas leaks. A service will also go a long way to ensuring that your air conditioner or heater is in tip-top shape, ready to keep heating and cooling for years to come. Metropolitan has a team of technicians on call who can service your air conditioner or gas heater and perform a wide range of related work. With 24/7 availability, their expert team can service your system at any time that suits your schedule.